We are going on a river trekking adventure. Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we are in for an awesome adventure. We are here at the Taizako Canyon here in Oita Prefecture. It is a little bit far to get to. We had a couple hour long car ride, but we finally made it and I'm so excited. We are going to be river trekking and I am looking forward to it. It looks so fun. The water is blue and it is going to be an awesome time. Let's go on this river trekking adventure here at this beautiful nature spot in Kyushu. Today we have life jackets and helmets for safety. We are all suited up. Got this helmet, some life jacket, and we're ready to go. We also wore long pants and shirts to keep the bugs away and grippy shoes to avoid slipping. We're about to leave. How do you feel?
Excited.
That doesn't look excited, man.
I'm excited.
How do you feel?
I'm ready.
How do you feel, Kazuki?
I'm excited. I really want to go right now.
Well, everyone is ready, so let's head out. We are finally starting the journey. It was a very early morning, long car ride. Got lost a few times, but now we are finally by the river to begin. Wow, this water is beautiful. Right off the bat, we hit the trail to follow the beautiful blue river upstream. With lots of rocks, both big and small, we had to walk a little bit carefully. Ooh, we are in the water. And my feet are wet. Standing in the water right now. You can see right here, we are completely in the water and about to cross our first major passing up ahead. When you're tired, you just float.
Where my little cat?
My hat is all whack. It's cold, but it feels so good and refreshing. A little way down the river, we got to this spot that was full of mist and deep water. The emerald darkness and white haze made for some great moody shots. At one point, it was too deep to walk in, so we had to swim across. Back in shallower waters, the trek continued. Just came to another part where we are crossing the river. This time it is a little shallower, so no swimming. But you can see these super high sides of rock that we have here. This whole area was made by volcanic activity 90,000 years ago. So it's amazing to take in. This nice bend in the river made for another great photo op. It was the perfect place to take in the natural beauty of the gorge. The water is so clear. Oh my gosh. It is lovely. Here was another spot where mist rose above the rocks and hovered on the water's surface. Continuing the journey, we waded, splashed, and swam our way up the river. The endless swimming pool training. Wow, it's so pretty. Not just the water, but the surrounding trees are so cool. All these vines and moss. It was here that we arrived at the most beautiful point of the route. As we made our way through the clear, waist-deep water, a stone bridge loomed high above. Talk about feeling like you're in the middle of a Miyazaki movie. Another deep crossing, but we all made it safely. This part is rocky and a bit slippery, so we have to be careful. We've been walking all throughout the river this time. Up ahead, the bridge in the sky marked the end goal of our hike. It was exciting to see our goal so close, but also a bit sad knowing the serene nature walk would be ending soon. What an incredible time. I'm still so mind blown by how beautiful everything has been. We are now really close to our end point and out of the river, but I enjoyed it so much. At the end, there was a spot for swimming and riding the currents.
High five.
High five! Our group was made up of both children and adults, with first-time hikers as well as seasoned veterans. Everyone successfully finished the hike and had a blast. Well, we finally made it to the end of the journey. We got to this bridge. We walked so much along the trail. It was such a beautiful, beautiful hike, and I feel so glad to have been able to do this. Thank you, High Five Outside, for this event and all of the organization. I'm looking forward to the next one, and thank you all for watching this journey. If you like this content, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video. After hours of exercise, it was time to head to Guest House Lamp for a massive barbecue, a relaxing bath, and a good night's sleep. What an awesome time!